Hi, this is Fred with AnybodyLoans.com here in the South, and we've teamed up with a company called Jura to get you a $500 loan today. And the way that we do that is real simple. You need three things. One, you got to be 18 years old. Two, you got to have some place to put the money, like a bank account. Okay. And three, you got to have some source of income to show. Something simple. It could be self-employment. It could be unemployment. It could be a small job. Anything at all that shows that somewhere along the way you've got a way to pay back the loan. You don't have to go ahead and pay all kinds of fees or anything. You can just simply go ahead and pay the loan off when you have the money to make it easy for yourself. Or you can take payments over time. Either way, AnybodyLoans.com. The reason I want you to get the loan is obviously I get a small commission for finding you, for matching you guys up. So here you go. I've got the website, AnybodyLoans.com. Just go ahead. I've specially done the legwork to make sure you get approved. I don't get paid if you don't get approved. So I want you to get approved. So go ahead, click the little box on the left here on AnybodyLoans.com. Put your information in, put it in legit information, and you will get a loan today. I look forward to doing business with you again. Thank you.